Hello there. Let's talk about the synchronization between the server and the workstations. Here I created a little test account, and here's the server, and here's my where I can change my buttons and create things. And if you look at the bottom of the screen, this is the actual workstation that I'd be talking about. So here I am, Johnny. I click on buttons, and I've got two buttons, security and support. I mouse over, and look, they match right there. Well, let's say if we want to make a change. Well, I'm going to create a new button called Test. I'm going to switch that to there. And let's see, the icon, I feel green today. I'll go green. Great. So I created a new button called Test that's green. But lo and behold, I mouse over my workstation, and it's not there. So even though you have this setting here on the server, it's not going to match up until three things happen. I could reboot my computer, restart it, and for most users, when they turn on their computer every morning, they'll get the new settings, and it'll automatically do the command check interval checking for things. The second way that your client checks with the server for new settings is at the command check. To find out what that is, you can go to an individual node, and you could see what the command check interval is. I have it set for 1,440 minutes, and that equals 24 hours, meaning if I never turn off my computer, every 1,440 minutes or 24 hours, it's going to check the computer to see if there's any new settings. You could do this for an individual node or user, or if you go to the group settings, you could apply the settings to the entire group as well, and all the members of its group. The third way that you could refresh the program or get the client to match the server is through the refresh profile, and that's right here. For every client, for each user, you can enable, see I've got it enabled there, you can enable it so that they're able to get the latest settings by simply right-clicking on the red icon, and there you've got that option, refresh profile. I'll select that. Take a second for the profile to refresh. Profile successfully refreshed. Good. And there's my button, Test. So those are the three ways that you can make sure that the client at the workstation matches the server. At reboot, at whatever command check interval you set for the individual user or for the entire group, or you could right-click and select refresh profile. Again, this feature, you have the ability to enable this for users or not. You can enable it for entire group or not. Well, thank you so much. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we're here to help. Thanks.